Blintzes are thin, delicate pancakes. They are versatile. Fill them with sweet or savory ingredients. Enjoy them for breakfast, brunch, or dessert. Blintzes are perfect for special occasions. Blintzes are popular in many cultures. They have a rich history. The name Blintz comes from the Yiddish word Blintz. To make perfect blintzes, gather your ingredients. For the crepes, you'll need eggs, milk, flour, and salt. For the fillings, you can choose from sweet options like cheese filling, fruit preserves, or Nutella. Or go for savory options like potato filling, cheese and onion, or spinach and feta. Making crepes is easy. Whisk together eggs, milk, flour, and salt. Heat a lightly oiled pan. Pour a thin layer of batter. Cook until golden brown. Flip and cook the other side. Let the crepes cool. Now they are ready to be filled. Fill your crepes with your favorite sweet or savory fillings. Spread a thin layer of filling. Fold the crepe into a triangle or roll it up. Sweet blintzes are delicious with powdered sugar. Add a dollop of sour cream or whipped cream. Savory blintzes pair well with applesauce or sour cream.